Welcome loves to my YouTube channel. My name is VassaOlga. In today's video we're going to be doing a fix my makeup vlog from Jennifer Lawrence, and I feel like this could have done much better. Now my option with the one that we can see in the photo. I feel like black eyeliner is too much. We don't really get her beautiful lashes. We don't really see them. I don't see anything around her face. I believe like her makeup artist used only concealer and powder, probably no contour, nothing. And this beaming through black eyeliner is too much. So this is my option. This is my interpretation for makeup vlog. In case you're interested and want to get something like this, please stay tuned and let's get started. I want to get started with a very easy and quick routine that I do every single time. With aqua peeling toner, I'll prime, not even prime, but moisturize my face. On top, I'll go over it with my sun cream. You can skip this step, but I'll add a little bit of Nivea Men aftershave lotion. That's a nice product to moisturize your face even more. And my final product is going to be the Ordinary Primer. Some leftovers that I still cannot get rid of. This is silicone primer. Hydration is there. It's soaking into my skin. I see a lot of bronzing technique, I'd say, and warmth in the skin. It's with the tanning. I'm going to do a little bit of my color correctors, only because my foundation is a little bit off my undertone. I'll mix two shades. I have my foundation brush, and this is CATRICE HD Liquid Coverage. Unfortunately, I don't really have a dewy foundation. I had one from The Ordinary, but I'm out of the product. It was expired, and I was out of the product. That's why I'm going to go and play with matte foundation, but later on, we're going to fix it. Honestly, I can't tell if she wears a lot of foundation, so we're going to add a little bit in the outer perimeter of the face, and then probably diffuse the rest of leftovers towards the center of the face. Now we're moving to my contour stick. You can place it directly over your face, or you can use a brush to pick up the product, but I guess it's going to be really hard to pick up any product. Oh no, it's not really bad. And I'll do a little bit more on top of my nose. I have contour, I have foundation, and I really want to blend this out with a beauty blender, not only brushes, to make sure that it melts in together. On top of this beautiful routine, let's say, I'll do my concealers. This is going to be Essence Skin Lovin Concealer that'll add right here. I'm not doing a lot of the product. And then for my forehead and my chin, the sides of the face, I'll use L.A.Girl PRO.conceal HD.high-definition. This is the color Fairest. You can use a flat brush to blend out your concealer. Just stamping and patting. Later on, I'm going to be going to my beauty blender. Go right to my beauty blender. Final step, you can go with a brush to apply your under eye concealer. I'll do a little bit of beauty blender on top. And my final, let's say, thing to keep everything in place is getting the translucent powder. Take my big and fluffy brush, tap it off, and get this underneath my eyes. I'll add my press in powder, your pop, and get this in these areas. I don't really think we need a lot of powder in this area because most of the time it's not creasing, but if you feel like you need more powder, go ahead and use it. I'll leave my creams the way it is right now. I want to use a little bit of this green color on top. It's just for my personal reasons. I have a little bit of green olive, let's say, in my skin undertone. It's going to help to match my face with the rest of the body. I'll add a little bit of contour. So we have bronzer underneath, and then I'll add a little bit of contour. I'll go with my sculptor, tap it off, and place it on top. But I don't really see any kind of nose contour. She does not have it. But I'll add a tiniest bit to define my nose bridge a little bit more than it is right now. I will add a little bit of blush. She does have a little bit of blush. It's kind of like a little bit of redness. That's why I feel like they did not use any sort of powder or maybe foundation. It's a little bit red, in my opinion, from my perspective. So I'll add a little bit of this peachy sort of coral shade. Big and fluffy brush. Okay, in this area. And of course my nose. And now to my fix and spray. This is from Essence, Keep It Perfect. And I need my beauty blender to make sure that all the powders are in place. And I take off extreme amount of powder. I'll add a little bit, like a tiniest bit more blush from my Makeup Revolution palette. And I want to do this blush, not this baby pink, but this, it's a little bit like peachy, warm blush. One more beautiful highlighter or glitter in the same palette. It's wet, and I'll grab a little bit on my beauty blender as well, and then transfer this on top like this. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. It's reflecting beautifully. I am gonna do a little bit of my regular highlighter, dry highlighter, with big and fluffy highlighter brush. I'm gonna give extra, oh my goodness, extra glow. Look at this, we're brushing this on top. She does not have any brow routine, in my opinion. It's very, very basic. I will outline my brows, then fill them in with the same pencil, then use my brow gel and add some extra hair with my NYX brow pencil. Okay, and finally we're moving to the eyes. I hate the black liner over waterline and on top of like lash line, because first of all, I cannot see any lashes. It's sort of invisible, and this makeup is too soft for this black messy eyeliner. I'll use my concealer. It's not the best option to use a concealer, but I have nowhere to go. If you have primer, the one I can recommend is from NYX Eye Primer. Go ahead and use it. I'm going to this really soft baby brown color, tap it off, and then set my eye. You can do this with big and fluffy brush because it's super, super soft color. For my outer corner, I'll use a little bit smaller crease brush and use with this brown in the outer corner. I'll stamp this first, get the color on, and then with the same brush and some leftovers, try to blend this out and diffuse. I'm going back to the same brush that we used to set my eye, and with any leftovers, I'm just going back and forth. I have the same highlighter from MUA Makeup Academy, but I'll do this with a finger. Oh, look at this beautiful highlighter with a little bit of blue in it, and let's just place it on top. I want to add a pop of color on top of that color. Go into my Makeup Revolution camouflage palette and get in the highlighter on top as well. Placing this with the finger, like patting this with this really weird black liner everywhere. I want to add a little bit different color to my eye palette. This is going to be probably this dark chocolatey brown. I have a beautiful angle brush. Grab a little bit of the shade, tap it off, use my protection again and again and again and again, and create a little wing. So we'll go again with the same shade, tap it off, and then get this a little bit lower than the actual waterline. Grab my fluffy brush and use this soft brown that we used to set my lid underneath this brown, a little bit more of my highlighter in the inner corner. Final step is my mascara. I want to do a little bit of color because we have really soft eye makeup, really soft foundation, though it's super gluey. Oh, I love that. But okay, I'm gonna do a little bit of lip cream, long lasting, on the sides of my lips. This is color Delicate Rose 04, and on top I'll do my brown lip pencil. In the center of the lip, I'll do a little bit softer pink. This is from the same brand, Eveline, and this is a lip cream long-lasting Dream Pink 19, and blend out with my lip brush. By the way, guys, I got a couple of comments from you on my TikTok page and in my YouTube page as well, asking people what is the color, what is the brand of this lip pencil. This is Violet Matte Color Lip Pencil. It's actually made in EU, and it says Violet Cosmetics GmbH Schenderstrasse 82 or something like this. This is Germany, and the color is number 12. Okay guys, and this is the final result. I really love this makeup. Guys, I love the soft eye. I love that we add a little bit more color to the lip. I love that we changed a foundation because it feels like I have very healthy glow, very skin type glow, let's say. And it's warm, it's pretty, it's the same color as the rest of the body. So, okay, guys, just too much compliments to me from me. I hope you enjoyed today's Fix My Makeup vlog, and I'm gonna see you in the next video, hopefully, guys. Bye bye.